The First Amendment guarantees 5 freedoms that are viewed as necessary to support individual civil liberties in America. These freedoms include freedom of speech.
Many people challenge the freedom of speech, and the court rules based on past cases and how they were dealt with. In an important freedom of speech case for business, the U.S. Supreme Court will today consider whether Nike Incorporated can be sued for false advertising over a publicity campaign to defend itself against accusations that Asian sweatshops make its footwear.
Freedom of religion. An example of freedom of religion is when a Kentucky County Clerk, Kim Davis, refused to issue gay marriage licenses. The American Civil Liberties Union of Kentucky filed a federal lawsuit against Davis. She claimed it was against her religious views to issue this license, even though that choice was against the Supreme Court's ruling.
Freedom of press. As technology continues to change journalism, it also changes the rights of journalists around the world. Freedom of the Press Foundation is committed to advocating for the rights of journalists in the digital world, in the public sphere, courtroom, and wherever necessary.
Freedom of assembly and freedom of petition.
The purpose of the 10th Amendment was to define the establishment and division of power between the federal government and state government. It was added to assure delegates from the various states that the federal government would not step outside the boundaries established in the Constitution. It is basically to help limit Congress's power. This primary source picture represents that states cannot create laws that would harm other states.